Ever wondered what makes Indian street food so irresistible? Well, let's dive into a world of tantalizing flavors and rich diversity that's as varied as the country itself. Indian street food is a culinary kaleidoscope, serving up everything from savory snacks like spicy pani puri and crunchy samosas to sweet treats like the melt-in-your-mouth jalebi and cooling kulfi. But it's not just about the food, it's about the experience. Each region in India brings its own unique twist to these street delicacies, creating a gastronomic adventure that's as diverse as its people. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the vibrant markets of Delhi, street food is an integral part of Indian culture. It's more than just sustenance, it's a communal experience that brings people together, breaking down barriers and fostering a sense of community. Now, are you ready to embark on a delicious journey through the streets of India? Imagine walking down a bustling street in India, your senses overwhelmed by a symphony of aromas and colors. The air is thick with the tantalizing scent of spices, the sizzling sound of food being cooked right in front of you, the vibrant hues of ingredients, all combining to create an unforgettable sensory experience. Welcome to the world of Indian street food. Let's start with pani puri, one of the most popular street foods in India. Picture this. Tiny, crisp, hollow balls made from wheat and semolina, filled with a mixture of tangy tamarind water, spicy green chutney, and a hearty filling of mashed potatoes and chickpeas. Each bite is an explosion of flavors, a delightful blend of sweet, tangy, spicy, and savory. You might find it unusual, but this is a typical Indian snack, enjoyed by millions every day. Next up is the samosa, a triangular pastry filled with a spicy mixture of potatoes and peas, deep-fried to golden perfection. The outer layer is flaky and crisp, while the filling inside is soft and spicy, a wonderful contrast that makes each bite a treat. But what makes the samosa special is its versatility. It can be enjoyed on its own, or dunked in a sweet tamarind chutney, or even smothered in a spicy chickpea curry. Let's not forget the dosa, a thin, crisp pancake made from a fermented batter of rice and lentils. This South Indian specialty is served with a variety of accompaniments, including a spicy lentil soup called sambar and a coconut chutney. The dosa itself is crisp on the outside, soft on the inside, and incredibly light, making it a perfect snack or breakfast dish. On these spicy streets, each vendor is a maestro, conducting an orchestra of flavors and textures. There's a rhythm to their work, a kind of culinary ballet, as they swiftly prepare each order, their hands moving in a blur of activity. And the result? A symphony of taste that leaves you craving for more. As you can see, each dish is a masterpiece, a testament to India's culinary heritage. You might be thinking, how can I recreate these mouth-watering dishes at home? Well, the good news is it's absolutely possible and much simpler than you might imagine. The secret lies in the rich blend of spices and ingredients, many of which can be found at your local grocery store. Start with the basics, like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. These are the backbone of many Indian dishes, the magic that brings an explosion of flavor to your palate. Then let's talk about staples like rice, lentils, and different types of bread, such as chapati and naan. But the real fun begins when you start experimenting. Try different combinations, adjust the spice levels to your liking, or add a personal twist to a classic recipe. There's no right or wrong here. It's all about your taste and creativity. With a little bit of courage and creativity, you can bring the magic of Indian street food to your dining table. I hope you've enjoyed this flavorful journey through the streets of India. We've savored the tantalizing tastes of intriguing Indian street food, and walked the spicy streets that serve up a symphony of flavors, vibrant and diverse as India itself. From the bustling vendors, the sizzles, and the aromas that permeate the air, we've experienced a food journey unlike any other. And we didn't stop there. We brought these culinary delights straight to your kitchen, showing you how to recreate these street food wonders right at home. The magic of Indian cuisine lies in its versatility and adaptability, allowing us to experience the essence of India, no matter where we are. So whether you're a foodie on the hunt for your next culinary adventure, or a home cook looking to spice up your repertoire, I hope we've inspired you to embark on your own Indian food adventure. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment below. We've got plenty more food adventures waiting for you. Until then, happy eating.